Hey everyone, I've been juggling laptop tabs, video calls, and a console hookup lately, so I picked up the M&N portable monitor to see if it could simplify my setup. And honestly, it's been a game changer. I wanted something thin, bright, and easy to carry, and this monitor checks a lot of boxes. Right away I loved how sharp the 1080 IPS screen looks. The colors feel vivid, and the 780 degrees viewing angle really helps when I'm sharing the screen in a quick meeting or watching videos from different spots on the couch. It's lightweight and ultra slim, so I just slide it into my backpack for work trips, and it doesn't add bulk. The smart cover doubles as a stand and protects the screen. Super handy. Setup was mostly plug and play. The monitor has two full-feature USB-C ports, so you can run power and display through a single cable if your laptop or phone supports USB-C, Alt Mode, or Thunderbolt 3. Use the USB-C cable that came in the box for the smoothest connection. I used it as a second screen for spreadsheets and as a console display for some late-night gaming. HDR mode makes highlights pop and gives games more depth. It also has built-in speakers that are surprisingly usable for casual content. All in all, I'm really happy with this purchase. If you want a portable, easy-to-use second screen for travel, remote work, studying, or casual gaming, the M&N 15-inch is a solid, practical choice. Hope this helps.